Okay, today I'm going to adjust my daughter. My daughter's 2.5, and I just want to give you a little experience on how it is to adjust a child. Okay, get up on the table. Girl. Same way as we do an adult. I would start by doing some muscular work with her. Children don't tolerate too much muscular work, but it is important to do some. I'm going to check.
By the way, our daughter's 2.5.
Okay, now this is done on a real low setting. Children's vertebrae are very small compared to adults. I mean, that would be obvious, but most people don't think that. You have to be very gentle in your adjusting, and children just love it after they're done. They feel great. You wonder why you might need a child to be adjusted? Well, everyday falls. If you've had a traumatic birth, if your child had a traumatic birth, coming out of the birth canal or a cesarean section, C-section, there's very different reasons why. The C-section, when you don't come down the birth canal, you don't get a chance to mold your cranium, and you're kind of just brought out, where the vaginal canal, because as everybody knows that it's having a child, their skulls are very soft when they come out. So as they come down the birth canal, the canal is meant to mold the head as they come out. And then when they're pulled out inappropriately, they are again, you're molding the cranium as you come out with your hands or forceps or anything. But yeah, I mean, everyday falls, falling off a bike, falling downstairs. What can this help with? Tons of stuff. This can help with sleep issues. This can help with, if you're talking about an infant, colic, headaches in children, backaches.
Also in toddlers, urinary problems, bedwetting, ear infections. Asthma is another big one that's very well documented by research.
People have probably seen me on Facebook post just fevers. It's amazing, just adjusting up in the cervical area here and the neck area, how quickly a fever is brought down without the use of Tylenol or Advil or any other. So my kids have had fevers 104, 105. I do a technique called Logan Basic, and it really helps. Very gentle.
Within minutes we see the fever go down. You can see Dr. Holly is using her hands to feel the areas in the spine that are maybe a little swollen, a little warm, that need to be adjusted.
I started adjusting kids. I had a whole family, 5 of them, when I was in student clinic 10 years ago. And I absolutely love adjusting kids because I see the results. I see how children pay attention in school better. I've seen just behavioral issues just so much better, and they're much happier, they're not stressed. And when you think about it as an adult, when you're stressed, you're grumpy. Well, they are too. They don't know how to express it most of the times. They don't know what a headache is. They haven't seen 100 commercials about a headache. And you have. So sometimes they'll say their head will hurt or something, but the technique I was talking about with Logan Basic, basically it's just an area in you just want to hit in the sacral area right here. Usually finish this up. It helps relax the musculature around the areas that were adjusted. It also helps finish off any other soft tissue area that is might be a problem muscular-wise. Hold the adjustments better. As you've probably seen on our other videotapes, we don't believe in adjusting people, children, adults repetitiously. Okay, well this is just a small increment of what we do with our children, and we're going to adjust some more. You have a good day. Bye-bye.